Hello friends, welcome to our channel Khatri Steno. Subscribe our channel for steno related contents. Be ready for the legal passage. Ready? Start. In a recent case pertaining to the interpretation of the Constitution of India, the Honorable High Court delivered a logical judgment that serves as a corollary to earlier decisions rendered in similar contexts. Full stop. The case was brought forth by way of a writ petition challenging the legality of certain actions undertaken by the state government. Full stop. The petitioner, a resident of Mani Majra, contended that there was discrimination in the allocation of resources which violated Article 14 of the Constitution. Full stop. On the other hand, the state of Punjab submitted that all actions were taken in accordance with the law and no bias was intended. Full stop. It was argued that the decision was based on administrative grounds and did not depart from constitutional principles. Full stop. The issue arose when the jurisdiction of certain Kanungo circles was altered following a notification from the Revenue Department. Full stop. The residents alleged that the change was not only abrupt but lacked proper justification. Full stop. While the situation appeared to be stayed on the surface, an undercurrent of administrative inefficiency was evident. Full stop. The petitioners' counsel referred to a similar issue in New Delhi, where the courts had upheld the rights of residents under comparable circumstances. Full stop. The court examined the literal meaning of the provision in question and considered its application in the context of the state of Punjab. Full stop. The impugned notification had been perpetrated without proper public consultation and the procedural safeguards were not followed. Full stop. This was particularly significant because the administrative headquarters had recently been shifted and certain boundaries were redrawn without revising the legislative framework. Full stop. The respondent state submitted that under the Reorganization Act, the power to amend boundaries rests with the legislature and the said notification was within its rights. Full stop. However, the court noted that any amended notification must be published and brought to the notice of the affected public. Full stop. The court further observed that while laws may be affiliated with certain historical contexts, modern governance requires transparency and public accountability. Full stop. The Punjab University, for instance, had undergone structural changes after its division post hyphen independence when it was shifted from Lahore to its present location. Full stop. The case also touched upon the legislative powers of the Union and the state, especially in matters affecting land, revenue, and rural administration. Full stop. The inclusion of Himachal Pradesh in the broader administrative mechanism had earlier led to several unified policies being adopted, but not all were effectively implemented. Full stop. The High Court necessarily concluded that while the notification may not be entirely illegal, its execution lacked procedural compliance, full stop and over. सो ये हमारी नियर अबाउट 80 WPM डिक्टेशन थी। अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छी लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक जरूर कीजिएगा एंड मस्ट सब्सक्राइब अवर चैनल फॉर मोर डिक्टेशंस फॉर पंजाब एंड हरियाणा सबऑर्डिनेट कोर्ट स्टेनोग्राफर एग्जाम।